Hey, what's going on everybody? Welcome back. In today's video, we're gonna test and review this LockNlube grease coupler. And stay tuned to the end of the video and I'll show you where you can buy this thing. All right guys, if you're like me, I'm constantly greasing up equipment here on the farm. There is nothing worse than trying to get a worn out or old grease coupler to get grease into that zert fitting. You end up getting more grease on top of the machine than in it. That just drives me crazy, especially in those hard to get to places. Hopefully this LockNlube coupler will fix all those problems. All right, let's go ahead and open this thing up, see what we got in here. You got the coupler and it has a little trigger here where it actually unlocks the jaws here. It's what probably makes these last a lot longer. You're manually unlocking and locking the jaws. So, you know, your little cheap couplers that come with your grease gun, you push them on like this one here, just push them and pull them off. So they wear out pretty quick. I mean, I wear these things out in a week, probably shorter than that really. But so it looks pretty high quality piece here. It does come with an extra, let's see, it comes with a spare seal kit and jaws included in case you do ever wear them out. So let's go ahead and throw this on our grease gun and we'll try it out. I'm not going to show you how to do that because if you don't know how to do that, you probably don't need to be using it. All right, we got it on there. I got this PTO shaft here. We'll just kind of test it out on there. We can take it over there with the tractor and test it on there. As you can see, this lever opens those jaws up and we'll just try to put it on this zert fitting here. Just like that, it locks on. It's not gonna come off, so then we'll just give her a few pumps here. And just like that. And all we got to do is push this lever back down and it releases it just like that. And that worked about perfect. Okay, let's go ahead and jump over here and we'll try it out on the tractor. All right, we'll try it on this fitting. The one we tried earlier with the regular coupler. And as you can tell, the grease went in that time instead of just on it. All right, we'll go around the front here and try a few more of those fittings. All right, we'll try this one here on the wheel. As you can tell, it locks on really good. Can actually do it with one hand because I'm holding the camera with the other. Not a problem. Unlock it here, pulls right off. See if we can't find another fitting to test it out real quick. Here's one easy to get to and see, so we'll go ahead and do it. That one didn't take much grease, so you can see how well that works. All right guys, I just finished up. I just greased up this whole tractor and didn't have one single problem with it. All right guys, I'm just gonna go ahead and give this grease coupler 2 thumbs up. This thing works awesome, especially when you're used to dealing with the cheap and worn out couplers. Very highly recommend this thing. So if you're interested in buying one of these things, I'll put my affiliate link down below in the description. It'll take you straight to Amazon. You'll be able to order it straight off of there. All right guys, that's gonna be it for today's video. So if you got any value out of this video, go ahead and hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel if you wanna see more reviews like this. And thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.